Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting guide for you on how to disable audio auto-download when roaming on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you can save your precious data while traveling. So let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Settings from the options that appear. Step 4. Once inside the settings, select Storage and Data. Step 5. Scroll down and find the Media Auto Download option. Step 6. Tap on When Roaming from the available choices. Step 7. Now, it's time to disable Audio Auto Download. Just unmark the option for audio. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. By following these steps, you can ensure that audio files won't be automatically downloaded when you're roaming. This helps you manage your data usage efficiently and avoid any unexpected charges. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and happy roaming with WhatsApp.